How to make Scorpio man fall in love with you. Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna give you the best tips on how you can make a Scorpio male obsessed with you. Today's topic will be interesting for those girls who consider this guy for a long-term relationship and marriage. If you are one of them, stay tuned and watch through the end. Before I reveal you a secret of Scorpio man's seduction, you have to remember, this zodiac personality doesn't take rapid decisions when it comes to romantic relationship and choice of his future girlfriend. Instead of being in a hurry to say, "I love you, will you get married with me?" Scorpio male used to study and analyze you. And if you have no patience, you will definitely struggle with him in a daily life, because he will be testing you, how good you are at cooking, in communication with his parents, and of course, in bed. I would say that dating a Scorpio man can be a really exciting and unforgettable experience for you. Generally speaking, if you are one of those girls who can dominate in a relationship with men, in other words, when you set your own rules in a romantic life, then the Scorpio guy will be even more interested in you, because he is one of the most powerful zodiac signs, and he also wants to see a strong girlfriend close to him. Unfortunately, only a little number of girls are suitable for this role. If you expect to get a quick marriage proposal from him, you will be definitely disappointed. Behind mysterious and self-confident character of a Scorpio man hides quite prudent and sly personality. It means that he calculates everything in advance, and your romantic relationship is not exception. But if he has the intentions to a girl, I can tell you they are 100% serious, because Scorpio man will never live with any random woman for the sake of sex or short-lasting romance. This guy needs to see your personality first of all, personality that differentiates you from the other women. By that I mean your natural femininity, natural beauty and charm, and that's not enough. If you want to make a Scorpio man fall in love, don't even try to play a person who you are not, because this guy has an amazing intuition that helps him recognize the people who hide themselves behind the masks. That's why your sincerity and honesty matter a lot. Moreover, you should always remember that Scorpio man is usually choosing a woman for life and marriage looking at your behavior. In other words, if you can be more distant and inapproachable to him from the beginning, more chances you'll have to keep him on a hook. I highly recommend you not to reveal him your character. Let it be a surprise for him. He likes enigmatical women. Having insanely curious character, eventually Scorpio man will start chasing you, unless you open up to him and he'll understand who you really are. But don't play too much with him, otherwise you will fail, because Scorpio guy has always a lot of other women around him. So, try to choose the right strategy and tactics on the way of his seduction. That's what will help you to make him attracted to you. Another secret I want to reveal about Scorpio guy and how you can make him fall in love with you is about his erotic desires. If you find a way on how to satisfy him in bed, you will sufficiently increase your chances to win his heart. Because setting a deep intimate contact with a girl, it allows him understand his feelings to her. But I wouldn't say that Scorpio man is focused on the sex only, no. Although it does matter a lot for him, but making love is just a small part of his game when it comes to revealing you his domination and the best qualities in the relationship. And in this game your common sexual interests have to coincide, because Scorpio man is a person who used to enjoy life to the fullest, and when a woman has some intimate experience, it can be like a big bonus for her to make their intimate relations more intriguing. Of course, there are many ladies who consider a Scorpio man as an astrological heartbreaker #1, but it's not true. This guy just wants to be confident in you. That's why sometimes you can face some challenges on the way of his seduction. But in comparison with other zodiac signs, Scorpio male will never manipulate you. If you prove him your reliance and readiness for serious relationship, it will be a direct indicator for him about who you really are, because this man will never make a quick marriage proposal to his girlfriend accidentally. Instead of doing the typical mistakes that other men do, Scorpio man can wait a lot, unless he is convinced about your character and personality. So, if you show him your serious intentions, if you flirt in the right way and make him feel desirable in bed, that's how you can make a Scorpio man fall in love with you.